We see the next example in the exercise 3.4, example number 22. Five into e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 into e raised to 2x plus 9. Now we can solve this integral. See carefully this here. Let I integral is equal to integral of 5 into e raised to x upon e raised to x plus 1 into e raised to 2x plus 9 dx. Now this integral not in our type, so we apply the second step, that is the substitution. We can take the substitution or not. Here in the multiple of dx there is a e raised to x. Okay, we put the e raised to x is equal to t. Here it is e raised to x and here it is a e raised to 2x. That means it is a e raised to x square. Okay, so here we put the substitution e raised to x is equal to t. It is a put e raised to x is equal to t, and therefore e raised to x dx is equal to dt. Now our integral becomes here 5 and e raised to x dx we can write dt upon t plus 1 into t square plus 9, and it is a dt. Okay, here e raised to x dx, it is a dt, 5 t plus 1 and it is a t square plus 9. And now see carefully here, it is a denominator is expressed as the linear product of the linear factor into the quadratic factor, and here this quadratic function cannot be factorized. Okay, the quadratic function does not have the real roots. Here t square plus 9, that means t square plus 3 square. Okay, it is a t square plus 3 square, that means it cannot be factorized. Okay, here linear factor into quadratic factor, and this factor does not have the real roots. Okay, now here, so we can write here it is a 5 upon t plus 1 and here it is t square plus 9 is equal to a upon the linear factor and plus it is a bx plus c upon t square plus 9 here. And now we can solve it. Take the cross multiplication and denominator will be get cancelled. Here compare the numerator, so we can write a into t square plus 9 and plus bx plus c into t plus 1. It is equation number 1. Okay, now here again we can find the value of a, b and c, but there are the only one linear factor, that is the t plus 1. So we put t plus 1 is equal to 0, that means t is equal to minus 1. Okay, then we get the value of it is a. Okay, after t is equal to minus 1, here all in the variable t, so we can write here t. Okay, bt. Okay, now here after finding the value of a, we find the value of b or c. Okay, here when we put t is equal to minus 1, we get the value of a. But now in this equation there are the two unknown values. We find the value of a. Okay, first we find the value of a. Here put t plus 1 is equal to 0, that is t is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1, and therefore it is 5 is equal to a into minus 1 square, it is a 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9 and plus it is a 0, t plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore a is equal to, see carefully, it is a 10 and it is 5. 5 is equal to 10a, that means a is equal to 1 by 2. It is the value of a. Now finding the value of b or c, see carefully, we get the value of a. Okay, Now in this equation, when we put t is equal to -1, we get the value of a. Now we find the value of b or c. Okay, now in this equation we get a. Now there are the two unknown values, but equation is only one. Okay, when we have the two unknown value, we get the two equations, or when the only one equation, we get the unknown value, that is the unknown variable is only one. Now when we put t is equal to 0, okay, b can be eliminated, a is known, so there is only one unknown value, that is the c, and we can find the value of c by using this equation. So in the second step we can put t is equal to 0. Okay, in the first step we can put t is equal to by using this factor. Okay, in the example, any factor, it is t plus 1. In the previous example, here is the factor is x minus 1, so we put the x is equal to 1. In this, the factor is t plus 1, so we put t is equal to -1. And the second, when it is second, we put t is equal to 0. Okay, and the third, for the finding the third unknown value out of a, b and c, we put any real number to the value of t other than it is -1 and the 0. Okay, we can put any real number to find the third constant. Okay, now first we find the t is when we first we put t is equal to -1, and now we put t is equal to t is equal to 0. Now here put t is equal to 0 in equation number 1. Okay, see carefully. Okay, याच्यात काय केले, t plus 1. ओके, सगळ्यात आधी जे फॅक्टर आहे त्या फॅक्टरला 0 केलं, त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला a ची किंमत मिळाली. नंतर तुम्हाला दुसरा व्हेरिएबल काढण्यासाठी काय करणार, t इक्वल टू 0 पुट करा, म्हणजे काय b कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल, a ची व्हॅल्यू माहित आहे, म्हणजे फक्त c ची व्हॅल्यू आहे, तर c ची व्हॅल्यू काढता येते. आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग राहिला आता b, मग b ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी काय करणार, t इक्वल टू -1 आणि 0 हे दोन सोडून कोणताही व्हेरिएबल पुट करा. ओके, नाव आता काढू आपण t इक्वल टू 0, म्हणजे b कॅन्सल होईल, आपल्याला c ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाल. when t इक्वल टू 0, here it is a 5 is equal to a into 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus c, and here it is a 0 plus 1. Okay, now therefore 5 is equal to a, it is 1 by 2 and it is 9a, so here it is a 9 by 2 plus c, and therefore c is equal to 5 minus 9 by 2, and therefore c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, c again also 1 by 2. Now finding the value of b, we put t is equal to any real number other than -1 and 0. So here we put t is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Okay, other than -1 and 0. Now in this equation, therefore here it is a 5 is equal to a into 1 plus 9, t is equal to 1, that means it is 1 plus 9, plus b plus c, t is equal to 1, then it is a b plus c, into it is 1, therefore it is 1 plus 1. Okay, and then we get 5 is equal to, it is 10a, and a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here we get 10a, then plus 2b and plus 2c. It is a 10a, 2b, and it is a 2c. Therefore put the value of a, b and c, put the value of only a and c. Okay, we get here 10 by 2, that is a is a 1 by 2, plus 2b is equal to 2c, again c is a 1 by 2, plus 2 by 2. Okay, now here it is a 5, here it is 1, it is a 6, it is a 5. Okay, see carefully the calculation, it is 5, it is 1, therefore it is a 6. Okay, 6, and here it is a 5, therefore 6 becomes there, therefore -1, and 2b is equal to -1. We can directly write b is equal to minus 1 by 2. It is the value of b. Okay, b is equal to minus 1 by 2 after this calculation. B is equal to minus 1 by 2, A is equal to 1 by 2, and C is equal to again 1 by 2. And therefore, this can be written as 5 upon t plus 1 t square plus 9 is equal to A 1 by 2. Okay, it is 1 by 2 upon t plus 1 plus B minus 1 by 2 t and plus C, that is 1 by 2, and upon t square plus 9. And then we can find the integral, this function replaced by this. Then integral is equal to, it is 1 by 2 upon t plus 1, and this we can take the minus 1 by 2 common, and then it is t minus 1 and upon t square plus 9 dt. Then separate the integrals. 1 by 2 into 1 upon t plus 1 dt minus 1 by 2 into t minus 1 upon t square plus 9 dt. Okay, now it is in the standard form 1 upon t plus 1. The integral it is log of t plus 1, but here it is a linear function upon quadratic function. That means here we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in the linear function. It is in our type. Okay, this such type of the examples we see in our lecture number 35, linear function upon quadratic function. Now we adjust the derivative of this quadratic function in the linear function. So here we can write it is 1 by 2 as it is. Integral it is log of t plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into, here it is a 2t, derivative of t square plus 9, it is a 2t, but here only is a t, therefore we can write 1 by 2 minus 1 as it is, and here it is a t square plus 9 dt. Now here 1 by 2 log of t plus 1 as it is minus 1 by 2, okay, into, it is a 1 by 2 into 2t upon t square plus 9 minus 1 upon t square plus 9 dt. Now we can separate these integrals. Here 1 by 2 log of t plus 1 minus this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4 into integral of 2t upon t square plus 9 dt minus 1 by 2 and this minus, it is a plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 upon, it is t square plus, it is a 3 square dt. Okay, now this integral it is f dash of x upon f of x, and this integral 1 upon quadratic function. Okay, by completing square we can solve this, but it is already complete square. Now 1 by 2 log of t plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into log of here t square plus 9, okay, f dash of x upon f of x plus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x square plus a square, it is 1 by a tan inverse x by a and plus c. And now last answer, put the value of t, and t it is a e raised to x, and then last answer it is 1 by 2 log of e raised to x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of e raised to 2x, it is a t square plus 9, and plus it is a 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 tan inverse of e raised to x upon 3 and plus c. Okay, now again in this example we can use the 5 types of the integral, 5 types. Okay, first we substitute, okay, 1 Okay, first type. Then it is a integration by partial fraction. In the partial fraction, denominator expressed as the linear function into the quadratic function. Here, linear factor into the quadratic factor. Okay, now it is the first we use the substitution, then we use the partial fraction. Okay, after finding the value of a, b and c, we get here the two integrals. First integral is the standard integral, okay, 1 by t plus 1, but second it is a linear function upon quadratic function. It is the third type, linear function upon quadratic function. Here we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in the linear function. Okay, then again we get the two integrals. One integral, it is a f dash of x upon f of x, and other is 1 upon quadratic function. Again, these are the two types of the integrals. F dash of x upon f of x, it is log of f of x, and 1 upon quadratic function, it is a special integrals. Okay, here is already complete square. If it is not completing square, it is a quadratic form, ax square plus bx plus c. We can by completing square, it can be expressed as a x square and a square. It is already x square and a square. There are the two terms, so we can directly use the formula, the special integral. Okay, here प्रॉब्लेम केअरफुली पहा. याच्यात आपण 5 टाईपचे इंटिग्रल्स यूज केलेले आहेत. सगळ्यात आधी सबस्टिट्यूशन, नंतर पार्शियल फ्रॅक्शन, त्याच्यानंतर लिनियर फंक्शन अपॉन क्वाड्रॅटिक फंक्शन, त्याच्यानंतर एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स अपॉन एफ ऑफ एक्स, आणि हे 1 अपॉन क्वाड्रॅटिक फंक्शन स्पेशल इंटिग्रल. केअरफुली पहा प्रॉब्लेम. नाउ वी सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Example number 23. Two log x plus 3 upon x into 3 log x plus 2 into log x whole square plus 1. Now we can find the integral of this function with respect to x. So here we can write, let here this integral 2 log x plus 3 upon x into 3 log x plus 2 into log x whole square plus 1 with respect to x. Okay, integral with respect to x. Now here see carefully, there are this integral not in our type. Okay, now here there are the function log x, and the derivative of log x, it is 1 by x, and 1 by x is in the multiple of dx. So here we put the log x is equal to t. Okay, therefore here we put first substitution, put log x is equal to t. Therefore derivative of log x, it is 1 by x is equal to dt by dx, that is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. And now our integral becomes 2t plus 3 upon, it is 1 by x dx, we can write dt, it is 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2, and here t square plus 1 dt. Okay, here after substitution we get this integral, and now this integral is in our type. That means denominator expressed as the linear factor into the quadratic factor, and this quadratic factor does not have the real roots, that is t square plus 1, that means t square is equal to minus 1. Okay, here t square plus 1, this quadratic function cannot be factorized. Okay, so here we can use partial fraction, that is a 2t plus 3 upon 3t plus 2, and here t square plus 1, and that is equal to a upon the linear factor 3t plus 2 and plus bx plus c, that is here bt plus c upon the quadratic factor. Okay, now the process is same as the previous example. Okay, here take the cross multiplication. Okay, denominator get cancel, or denominator is same, so numerator are also same. It is a 2t 2t plus 3 is equal to a into t square plus 1 and plus bt plus c into 3t plus 2. Okay, it is equation number 1. Okay, now for the finding the values of a, b and c, first we put the linear factor, that is at 3t plus 2 equal to 0. 3t plus 2 equal to 0, that means t is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, in this equation. Okay, see carefully. Put 3t plus 2, this linear factor, is equal to 0, that is t is equal to minus 2 by 3 in equation number 1. Okay, now in equation number 1 we can put minus 2 by 3 replaced by t, therefore we get 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 3 is equal to a into t square, it is a 4 by 9 plus 1 and plus 0. Okay, here 3t plus 2 equal to 0, therefore second term will be 0. Now take the calculation. Here it is minus 4 upon 3. Okay, minus 4 plus 9, minus 4 plus 9, it is a 5 by 3, minus 4 and it is a plus 9 is equal to, here 9 plus 4, it is a 13 by 9 a, and therefore a is equal to, see carefully, a equal to, this 3 get cancelled, here it is a 3 into 5, it is a 15 upon 13, it is the value of a, 15 upon 13. See carefully, check all the calculations. Now to find the value of c, okay, we put t is equal to 0. Put t is equal to 0 in equation number 1. Therefore we get it is a 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 plus is equal to a is a 15 by 13, 15 by 13 into 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus c, 0 plus c, and here t is equal to 0, then it is a 0 plus 2. See carefully the calculation. Therefore 3, here it is a 15 by 13 and it is a 2c. Therefore 3 is equal to 15 by 13 plus 2c. 3, 15 by 13 and it is a 2c, and therefore 2c is equal to, see carefully, it is a 15 by 13 minus, okay, 3 minus 15 by 13, 3 minus 15 by 13, 3 minus 15 by 13, that is 3 into 13, that is the 39 minus 15, 39 minus 15, it is a 24, 39 and minus 15, it is a 24. Okay, here it is a minus 24 upon 13. See carefully. It is 15 by 13, we can write it in the LHS. Therefore 3 minus 15 by 13, it is a 39 minus, okay, here it is a plus. Okay, here plus 24 upon 13, it is the value of 2c, and therefore c is equal to 12 by 13. Okay, it is the value of c. Now we find the value of remaining, that is a b. A we get 15 by 13, then c we get 12 by 13. Now we find the value of b. So we put any real number other than 0 and minus 2 by 3. Here we put t is equal to 1. Now put t is equal to 1 in equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Therefore 2 plus 3 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 plus b plus c into, we put t is equal to 1, therefore it is a 3 plus 2. Okay, here we get 5 is equal to 2a plus 5b and plus 5c, 5b, 5c. We want to find the value of b. Therefore 5b is equal to, it is a 5b. Okay, 5b is equal to 5 minus 2a and minus 5c. Here 5b is equal to 5 minus 2a minus 5c, and therefore 5b is equal to 5 minus 2a. A, it is a 15 by 13, and 2a, it is a 30 by 13, minus 5c, c it is this, therefore it is a 60 by 13. Now check the calculation. It is minus 30, it is a 90, therefore minus, sorry, it is 5 minus 90 by 13, it is 90. Okay, now 13 into 5, 13 into 5, it is a 65, that is 65 minus 90, 65 minus 90, it is a minus 25 by 13, and therefore b is equal to 5b is equal to minus 25 by 13, therefore b is equal to minus 5 by 13. It is the value of b. Now we find the all values, that is a, b, and it is a c. Put all values in this equation. Okay, and therefore it is 2t plus 3 upon 3t plus 2 t square plus 1 is equal to a. It is a 15 by 13 upon 3t plus 2 plus bt plus c. b, it is a minus 5 by 13 t plus 12 by 13 upon t square plus 1. Okay, now we integrate this replaced by this partial form. Here it is a 15 by 13 upon 3t plus 2. See carefully. Now here we can take the common. It is 1 by 13 or minus 1 by 13. See carefully, we can common minus 1 by 13. Okay, therefore it is plus, as it is minus 1 by 13 into 5t minus 12. We can take the common minus 1 by 13. Therefore here it is a 5t and here minus 12 upon t square plus 1 dt. Now we can separate the integral. It is a 15 by 13 into integral of 1 upon 3t plus 2 dt minus 1 by 13, it is 1 by 13 into integral of 5t minus 12 upon t square plus 1 dt. And now again it is in the standard form, but here it is a linear function upon quadratic function. Then the integrate, it is a 15 by 13 log of 3t plus 2 upon 3, this integral of this function, minus 1 by 13 into integral of linear function upon quadratic function. So we adjust the derivative of quadratic function in linear. So we can write here 2t, but here it is a 5, so multiply by 5 by 2. Okay, then it is 5 2 and minus 12 as it is, whole to the upon t square plus 1 dt. Now here 3 3, it is a 5 by 13 log of 3t plus 2, 5 by 13 log of 3t plus 2. And here see carefully, we can multiply this minus 1 by 13 to this integral, or first we separate this and then after multiply 1 by 13 into integral of 5 by 2 into 2t upon t square plus 1 minus 12 upon t square plus 1 dt. Okay. Only the separate the integral, and now we can multiply by minus 1 by 13 to this integral. Okay, first see carefully all the calculation. Okay, we can erase this first step. See carefully all the, now for the last calculation we can erase the first step. Here see carefully, and here check the all calculations. Now we can write the last step, we can separate this integral and integrate, and after integration we can put the value of t, and t it is a log x is equal to t. Okay, remember it. Now here integral is equal to, it is 5 by 13 log of 3t plus 2 minus, here we separate these two integrals, here 5 by 2 and it is 1 by 13, so we can write minus 5 by 26 into integral of 2t upon t square plus 1 dt. And now last integral, here it is a minus and here it is a minus, it is a 12, that is a plus 12 by 13. Last step, it is a plus 12 by 13 integral of 1 upon t square plus 1 dt. It is minus plus, it is 1 by 13 and it is a 12. Okay, it is a 12 by 13. Now this integral will be done. Here it is, we can find the integral. Now the second step, it is f dash of x upon f of x. Second step, it is a f dash of x upon f of x, and it is 1 upon t square plus 1. It is a standard integral, that is the tan inverse t. Okay, now the last answer will be 5 by 13 log of 3t plus 2 minus 5 by 26 log of t square plus 1 and plus 12 by 13 tan inverse t and plus c. It is the last answer. Now we put the value of the t. Okay, it is the last integral. Now last 5 by 13 log of 3 into log x plus 2 minus 5 by 26 log of log x square plus 1 and plus 12 by 13 tan inverse of log x plus c. Okay, here it is the last answer. Okay, see carefully this.